Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. In this video I'm showing you guys how to create another crop using a slightly different approach where I use my shavers at the end of the blend. Now I've saved the best for last, so please make sure to watch this video all the way through until the end. Also guys, I welcome your likes and comments. It'll help this video gain more exposure so others can watch it and learn. Guys, please make sure you hit that subscribe button on the bottom right of your screen because I don't want you guys to miss any more tutorials. Now, without further delay, let us begin.
Alright, first things first, let's establish that guideline. My client has large bones in the occipital area, and I want to be able to cover that. So I got to set these guidelines nice and low. For this exercise, I'm using the 32 ACP by Caliber. The next step is to remove the hair I don't need from underneath that guideline I just made. For this exercise, I'm using the 22 Stinger by Caliber. The next step is to erase that guideline. I start with the clipper's blade fully extended, and each time I pass through a section, I close the blade just a little bit. I repeat this until the line is erased. For this exercise, I'm using the 50 cal mag by Caliber. Attach a foreguard with the blade closed. Move straight up and out with this particular guard. The rest of your movements using your other guards are going to follow the same movement. For this exercise, I'm using the 45 ACP by Caliber. Attach a 3 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and then repeat. Attach a 2 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and then repeat. attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, kind of like you did with the other guards before, just a little bit lower. When you're finished passing through a section, close the blade and repeat. Attach a 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Make your pass, close the blade, and then repeat. But be careful not to cut any of the hair on the top part of the blend. Attach the half guard and fully extend the blade. This time you're going to focus on that demarcation. Each time you make a pass, close the blade just a little bit and repeat until the line is erased. The next step is to use the foil shaver at the very bottom of the blend as a finishing tool just to make the blend pop. For this exercise, I'm using the RPG by Caliber. The next step is to create my C-cup and clean up the edges. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. Now use a straight edge razor to clean up the edges. The next step is to trim the top just a little bit with scissors. All I'm doing here is just cutting it even. Don't forget scissor over comb for any stray hairs hanging over the blend. And now, a little texture to give the hair some movement. For this section, I'm going to texture the entire top. Your textured crop looks like this or better. You have done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and remember to always be learning, always be practicing. Feed your career so it'll grow. The machines in this video have all been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.